Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Brick General here, back with another video, and today, guys, I got these AirPods right here. I just bought them. I didn't actually buy them separately. I actually got them a part of the Mac Apple deal, where basically they're giving AirPods away for free if you buy a Mac for college. So if you guys don't know, I recently bought a Mac. It's not here yet, but the AirPods came, and they took about 2 weeks because I did get an engraving on them. Now these are the base AirPods. I would never buy them if it wasn't for free or something. So we're just gonna go with the scissors right here. Oh yeah, super satisfying unboxing experience here with Brick General. You guys know what's going on. So guys, I got the engraving of the bot emoji because I'm a bot. So here it is. Let's just unbox it. Cool. Designed by Apple in California. I'm assuming there's stickers in here. Who cares? And let's go. It has the bot on it. You already know. And of course, gotta get close to the camera for this one. Oh yeah. That's nice, bro. Apple does a fantastic job with their packaging and stuff like this. So it's super fun to do this. Ooh, that actually feels really nice. Okay, so inside we get these. Let's take a look. I assume they have the same audio quality as the normal iPhone earpods. The only thing that's good about them is that they're actually wireless. And then I believe there's also a charging cable, which sadly they still use Lightning. I don't know why Apple's still using Lightning for other stuff. But yeah, that's it. That's really all we have. And hope you guys enjoyed. This bot emoji, by the way, is completely nice in. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.